What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. So, y'all see the stocking cap. Y'all hear Angel. Y'all don't see the wig grip because I definitely forgot it back home. Y'all are already, if you don't know, I'm not at home. I'm actually back stateside visiting my family in New Orleans. So, you know, things are a little different. And we gotta adjust. But I'm making sure I get these videos out to y'all. So, okay, so today we did something a little different because I did not order a wig. I actually went to the beauty supply store and bought one, and the one that I bought, I just looked at the wigs and I was like, looked at the display one, I said give me her, and we went with that. So oddly enough, that was the only one in that color that they had, so I did end up, Angel, I did have to end up getting the display one, but it is the Sis Sister wig. It says Royal Swiss Lace pre-tweezed part, and it is in the style Chia, and it's in Somme RT Burgundy. So this is the packaging. Now there is writing on the packaging because I bought it like straight, like, you know, I bought the display and they put the display on it and they gave me a little discount. Now what I do want to say is, if we do like this wig, make sure y'all order it online because it's a lot cheaper online. Okay, we're just gonna get that out the way. Okay, so, and the girl was so nice enough to like put it back in the box and stuff, because it was the display. She was like, that's the only one we have in that color. So I said okay. So I didn't try it on, I didn't do anything. I was just like, give me that wig and let's go. So I bought it for $44.99. Girl, yeah, I know, but I believe Diva Tresses and So Good BB had it, and they had it for like $22.99. So I'll make sure to leave the links down below where y'all can get it for the lower. Okay, so then you open it up. Not to be funny, y'all, I could have sworn I have ordered a wig from them before, but it didn't come in a box like this, you know. But here is the stock card, you guys. Okay, and it says Chia 14 pre-tweezed parts, Royal Swiss Lace, C-part shape, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But there is the little stock card. So the little box, I really love the little box that it comes in. So we're just gonna take her out of the packaging. Okay, tell me this color isn't so cute. I saw this color and was just like, oh, that's cute. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut. Okay, so it has the lace in the front. They have a comb in the back, and there's two combs right here on the front, and then there is the adjustable band in the back. It looks very big head friendly, so just by looking at it, it seemed kind of big, so I'm gonna adjust the straps pretty close, and let's go ahead and try her on. And it is a, y'all, I ain't even got her on yet. And I'm already gorgeous. Let me get the brush. I ain't brought none of my stuff. Look, I had to buy a brush and everything. Y'all, are you okay? Y'all, I'm standing up. Y'all know we doing something different. I'm standing up. Okay, hold on. Straight out the pack. Straight out the pack. Okay, straight out the pack. Am I talking to y'all or not? Y'all, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut this lace. y'all know what like. There's no need to tweeze anything. Like the part, it said pre-tweeze. They meant that. Straight out the pack, she's it. I'm gonna cut the lace. And y'all know I like my little baby hairs. Because I'm not in my regular setup, I can't do it on camera for y'all, but I'll reference a video where y'all can see where I like cut the baby hairs, because it doesn't seem like it comes with any baby hairs. And to be completely honest with you, it's probably really not necessary, but y'all know that's just what I like. But straight out the pack, she's ready to go. Like, and I saw it when I saw it on display. I was like, oh, she's cute. She's cute. She's fall ready. She's fall ready. And I was like, you know, I looked at it and I was like, she's gonna be it. She gonna be it. And look at this. She's it. Y'all, let me cut the lace and then I'm gonna be right back with y'all with the final look. Okay. No look. And all I didn't even like put powder on the part. Like, I just took it out the wig. I just cut the lace, made one little baby hair, and just like that. Y'all know how I do. If y'all don't know how I do, I'll link a video showing y'all how I make my little baby hairs. I don't do it all around the side. That's too much. And all I did was brush it. Like, that's it. Like I said, I didn't even put powder on the part because I didn't even feel like it was necessary. Y'all know it's not too often that I say that a wig is ready straight out of the pack, out of the box. Huh? I know, because I told them it was for you. My mom and Angel are right there watching, rooting me on. So that's who I'm talking to. But yeah, it's not often that I say a wig is ready straight out of the pack. But y'all, she is ready straight out the back. Chia is bomb. Okay, that 10s across the board. You know, it's funny, I didn't think that I would like love a wig as much as I love the Ultra Daily wigs, but this is a win. And I swear, I think I reviewed a sister wig before, but I don't know for sure if I did. But this is a win. And to be completely honest with you, this little tag, like, the stock card does this wig no justice. Like, I'm not gonna lie, on the stock card it looks big, it looks bulky, it looks like it's all bumped at the top. It clearly looks nothing like that in real life, and it's such a nice length, it's a nice color. Like, I'm just feeling it. It's a win for me. But y'all, my camera is about to go dead, and if you don't know about Sony batteries, I need to hurry up, and I didn't charge my other batteries. So I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you click that thumbs up if you feeling this wig. Okay, I'll leave links down below where y'all can go and get her. Okay, please do. Look good. I'm fall ready. Like, come on. I'm beautiful. Like, yes, y'all see me swinging it. Okay, yes, this is everything. Okay, go get it. Go get your brush too. I love y'all so much. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram at angelleslife. Click the notification bell to be notified. Comment, like, subscribe. You know, do everything that you normally do. And if you don't normally do that, then start doing that. Okay, if you want to keep seeing videos, you want to keep seeing me, you want to keep seeing me slaying these wigs, not the $40 ones, definitely not those. But yeah, y'all, I'm so cute. I know y'all can't have to. I'm a ginger. It says burgundy. This is more of an orange or ginger color, so that is the one little thing. This is definitely not burgundy. This is like a ginger. But yeah, I'm a ginger. Share. Bye, y'all. Peace.
Oh, that was so cute.
Caught myself up close, had to show y'all again.